Dear students, today we can discuss another topic, interstate disparities. So we have to discuss that the differences of poverty level in different states of India. So poverty in India also has another aspect or dimension. Here we can say that the proportion of poor is not the same in every state in India. That means the proportion of poor people, that proportion is different in different states of India. Though there has been a decline in poverty in every state since from the early 70s, the poverty ratio varies from state to state. We can see from the early 70s, we can see that the poverty decline. At the same time, the poverty ratio that is different from state to state. Here the states like Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha had above all India poverty level. That means these states, the poverty, when we go through this area, we can see that there is no improvement in the reduction of poverty. Bihar and Orissa continue to be the two poorest states with the poverty ratios of 33.7% and 32.6%. So here you see that the poorest states of India, Bihar and Orissa. Both the rural and urban poverty are quite high in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and UP. At the same time, we can say that the states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and West Bengal, then the states like Punjab and Haryana, we can see they succeeded in reducing poverty with the help of different methods they accepted. So you know that the Punjab and Haryana, how they reduced poverty because of high agricultural growth rates. Kerala has focused on more human resource development. West Bengal, land reform measures have helped in reducing poverty. In Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, public distribution of food grains could have been responsible for the improvement. So you can see that the poverty ratio is different in different states of India. Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat and West Bengal. Then Punjab and Haryana, these states succeeded in reducing poverty. And also these states accepted various measures to reducing poverty. You know that Punjab and Haryana, how they reduce the poverty? Because of high agricultural growth rates. Kerala focused on human resource development. West Bengal, land reform measures they introduced. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, they concentrated in public distribution of food grains. Because of this, what happened in these states, we can see significant decline in poverty. So dear students, go through this area carefully, and these important points you have to underline. In which states we can see the poverty level reduced, and which are the states considered as the poorest states. All these area you have to underline. Thank you. Next we can discuss the global poverty scenario. The global poverty scenario. So the proportion of people in developing countries living in extreme economic poverty, defined by the World Bank as living on less than $1.90 per day, has fallen from 35% in 1990 to 10.68% in 2030. Here we can see a substantial reduction in global poverty. However, the reduction is marked with great regional differences. See, when we discuss the interstate disparities, we can see that different state, the reduction of poverty in different way. Similarly, the reduction happens at the same time, we can see regional differences. Different countries, difference in reduction of poverty. So due to rapid economic growth and a massive investment in human resource development, poverty has declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian countries. Here how the poverty reduced in China and Southeast Asian countries? rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development. Then in South Asian countries, that means India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan. So these South Asian countries, the decline has also been rapid. That means the decline of poverty also rapid, means a fast decline we can see there. In sub-Saharan Africa, poverty has declined from 54% in 1990 to 41% in 2013. So it has also resurfaced in some of the former socialist countries like Russia, where officially it was non-existent earlier. In Latin America, the ratio of poverty has also declined from 16% in 1990 to 5.4% in 2013. So here, when we discuss the global poverty trends, we can see that there were a substantial decline or reduction of poverty, but there were regional differences. In China and Southeast Asian countries, we can see this decline or reduction of poverty occurred due to rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development. And next also we discuss the South Asian countries. In these South Asian countries, we can see the reduction of poverty in a rapid way. And sub-Saharan Africa, poverty also declined from 4% in 1990 to 41%. And similarly, we also discussed the other areas. Latin America, the ratio of poverty has also declined from 16% in 1990 to 5.4% in 2013. So this is the global poverty trends. We can see regional differences, but there were a substantial decline of poverty occurred. So go through this area. Important points you have to underline. Thank you. Have a nice day.